Read that again. How does the human brain ignore the second the? How does the brain do that? How did you read that sentence so quickly and without thinking you ignored the repeated word? Well, to begin, we don't actually read every word in a sentence. Look at this example. It doesn't matter in what order the letters in a word appear. The only important thing is that the first and last letter are in the right place. Our brains quickly pick up patterns in writing and speech and just simply fill in the blanks as we skim the text. This greatly increases the speed at which we read, all while doing very little to reduce reading comprehension. No one knows exactly why we're so good at reading sentences like this. But according to Marta Kitas, a cognitive neuroscientist at the Center for Research in Language at the University of California, San Diego, the best guess is context. Context is very, very, very important. We use context to pre-activate the areas of the brain that are responsible for thinking, what's next? Research has shown that if a brain hears a sound that is commonly associated with another sound, they begin reacting to the second sound before it is even heard. But reading and sound comprehension aren't the only things our brains figure out for us. In fact, we do it with just about all sensory input tasks. Have you ever blanked out while driving, but reached your destination safely? Smelt a terrible smell, but gotten used to it pretty quickly? As you watch this, do you feel your tongue resting inside of your mouth, or the expansion of your lungs and ribcage with each breath? Autosensory actions like these are blanks that your brain automatically just fills in. Why does this happen? Well, we're not quite sure. It could be evolutionary. You wouldn't want to be thinking about breathing while running from a saber-toothed tiger. More likely it's because small, automatic actions should happen without thought. In the event that you are thinking about breathing without trying to think about breathing, it would typically indicate an issue with your breathing. More specifically, things like breathing can't be controlled by the autonomic nervous system because it uses external muscles. The autonomic nervous system controls things that you can't, like your heartbeat or your digestion. If there's an issue with your breathing, or walking, or blinking, your body goes into manual override to correct or identify the issue. The same can't be said for your heartbeat. Our brains are incredibly good at recognizing patterns, remembering them, and recalling them again to remove the taxation that goes with thinking. They are the result of millions of years of evolution through intensive trial and error. All of that has built an incredibly powerful supercomputer right within our heads. It's up to us to use them correctly. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.